Hi everyone, it's Priscilla with RV Journey. Thanks for watching today. Just wanted to check in really quick and let y'all know that things are still progressing. I've been selling a ton of stuff. Actually now my dining room, which was empty because I sold my dining table, is now full of things that I keep dragging out of the garage and out of my closet. And taking pictures and putting up to sell. So it's like there's a mini garage sale going on right in my dining room. But the best part is I don't have to be sitting outside haggling with people left and right. I just put it all up on the Facebook Marketplace. I'm also using Let Go, and people that are interested just either make an offer or say they're interested, and you know, we just make an agreement. They come, they pick it up, they give me cash, and the stuff goes out the door. So it is better than a garage sale for me because, you know, I just don't like that haggling part. But the other thing I wanted to share with you is my new camping hat. My hat that I just got. Check that out. I'm a happy camper. That's going to be my ride around, drive around hat. When I start on my RV trip, and because you all know, those of you that know me know that I love baseball hats. Anytime I don't have to deal with this mess is a happy thing. So anyway, just wanted to, I was really excited because it came in and these are my colors that I'm planning for my kitchen. I want to do the dark gray cabinets on the bottom and white cabinets on the top. And then my accent colors, it's a couple of colors, but the primary color is going to be the teal. So it's just one more thing that kind of puts me in that thought of what's going to be happening here in the next few months. Quick hello from Darcy. Darcy, you want to say hello? Say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Good girl. Anyway, I hope you're having a fabulous weekend, and I will check in again soon. Have a great day, great weekend, be blessed, and see you real soon, peeps. Bye.